Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are preparing a chicken chili, spicy chicken chili. So what we need is two tomatoes, large size tomatoes, green peas, green onions, red onions, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, ginger and garlic. I have a large breast, a cup of chicken breast, diced. We have dried chilies, chili flakes, black pepper, salt, cooking oil, and dark soy sauce. So let's get started. Okay, so first we heat the pan. After the pan is heated, add oil. You're gonna fry the chicken, so you need a plenty of oil. Couple of tablespoons of oil. Let the oil get heat. After the oil is heated, you can add the chicken. Try to move continuously. Let the water from the chicken, dries out. Okay, so the chicken is half done. So you can see all the oil. I don't want all this oil, so I'm gonna remove half of the oil and continue frying the chicken. So now you can see I have removed the oil. I just have some remaining, which is good. I'm keeping the heat in medium now. Now I'm adding the ginger and garlic. Fry along with the chicken. Also you can add dried chili. You can add, I'm just adding 2. You can add as much heat you want. Now add tomatoes. Add the green pepper and the red bell pepper. You need to keep them stirring, you know. You just, okay, good. Add some salt. You can add salt. I'm just using my hand, you know. Now you can add onions. You can add black pepper. You can add a little bit of water if you want, you know, to make it, to keep hydrated, not like dry. If it's too much dry, then you can add a little bit of water and continue cooking in a medium heat. Now you can add the green peas. Kind of crushed chili flakes. Okay, you can add a half teaspoon dark soya or 1 tablespoon of light soya. Okay, keep on cooking. Now you can make your heat in the high flame and just cook it for like 5 to 6 minutes and it's all done. Okay, now it's done, ready to serve and eat. Okay, here we go. Add some green onions on the top for the garnish. You can use cilantro if you want. Okay, here we go. So if you like this video, please do subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll be making more food videos in the future.